Hey everyone, I'm Rafi. Have you ever wondered why some banks just seem to get you while others feel like they're stuck in the past? Today, we're diving into this. How can AI make our banking lives better? Let's explore together and find out. Welcome to the AI Lib. When you think about your banking experience, what matters most to you? Is it the speed and efficiency of service? Sure, being efficient can make transactions faster and smoother, just like in manufacturing. But when it comes to interacting with customers, focusing solely on efficiency might miss the mark. Let's delve into why this balance is crucial.
And if you're a manufacturing firm, that makes a lot of sense. Because the more efficient your production process, the less failures, and the more satisfied customers you will have. But for interactions with people, for customer experiences, it's a different ballgame. Efficiency improves satisfaction up to a certain point, but beyond that point, it actually destroys the customer experience.
To truly excel in customer experience, companies need more than just efficiency. They need a consistent approach, trust, and the courage to innovate. What does this mean for you? It means a reliable way of addressing your concerns, earning your confidence, and continually improving services. Let's dive deeper.
So building on that as well, I start from a perspective that I would say, constructively paranoid. I assume that people are out to disrupt us. And I think that AI will provide interim competitive advantage, but not durable, because people will catch up and those who don't get on board, I think, will be disrupted. And so for me, it's not about specific opportunities, but it's about three things. One is creating a repeatable process. And so that idea of how do you understand the customer problems, how do you innovate, and how do you have the enabling capabilities, whether it be data or the platforms, you have to have that process to continue to sustain yourself and differentiate. Two is actually, for me, about trust. And so you have to prove that you earn and keep customers' trust. If you provide advice, it's good advice. And then the third for me is really about a willingness to disrupt yourself, because if you don't, someone else will be looking to. And so I think those three things perpetuate durable advantage.
In the banking industry, these three elements are crucial. While digital transformation is making waves, many interactions still rely on personal relationships, especially in institutional banking.
If you think about banking industry, beyond sort of going to a digital sort of a .com of a given bank and doing your basic transactions, particularly in the sort of the institutional side of the banking, a majority of the interactions are still sort of relationship based, and it is somebody picking up the phone and calling a relationship manager. So there's been a lot of friction in terms of pushing more digital interactions, and we obviously want to push more digital interactions, for the reason that Mike mentioned. Nobody gets a dopamine hit out of going to a bank branch or calling a relationship manager, whatever.
Generative AI is a real game changer. Imagine having an AI assistant that understands your preferences, offers personalized advice, and handles transactions effortlessly. How would that transform your banking experience?
So I think what generative AI is going to do, especially with sort of capabilities like conversational interfaces, it's going to really sort of disrupt that relationship-based banking. And it's also going to help us take banking to the customer as opposed to the customer coming to a bank. We call it, the technical term we use in the banking is embedded finance, right? Institutional banking, and for that matter, any banking should be just like Apple Cash. I love that, right? You don't even think about a bank at the end. You don't think about ACH. You don't think about wire. You're just having a conversation, and you want to be able to send money, and it should be that easy, right? I think that is where it's going to be sort of game changing.
Personalization is where AI truly excels. By analyzing your transaction data, banks can offer services specifically tailored to your needs. Take PayPal, for example. They know more about your financial habits than your primary bank because they track your day-to-day transactions. Wouldn't you want your bank to do the same?
I have a primary bank that's a major bank from the West Coast for my personal account. I have a bank in Ohio that has my business account. But if you ask me where my real transactions, where my real engagement is, it's with Acorns on the personal side, because they help me with my savings, and PayPal on my business side. Why PayPal? Well, when I make a disbursement to one of my contractors, it's always on PayPal. When I get receipts, it's on PayPal. PayPal knows more about me than my primary small business bank. So what happens is, PayPal regularly offers me bridge lines of credit because they know my transactions, they know my business.
Now let's take a closer look at 4 pioneering startups, Wealthfront, Casisto, Jaja Finance, and Upstart, and see how they're leveraging AI to transform the banking experience. These startups have identified significant opportunities in the market by addressing traditional problems in innovative ways. Wealthfront provides automated investment management services. Their platform uses algorithms to create and manage diversified investment portfolios tailored to individual goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront's automated system ensures a consistent investment approach while continuously innovating through algorithm updates and personalized financial planning tools. Wealthfront uses advanced algorithms and machine learning models to analyze market data and individual financial situations. Their AI continuously rebalances portfolios and provides tax optimization strategies, ensuring that investments align with users' changing needs and market conditions. Casisto's KAI platform powers intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants designed to interact with customers in a human-like manner, answering questions, providing financial advice, and executing transactions. By offering 24/7 customer service through AI, Casisto helps banks build trust and reliability with their customers. The AI ensures consistent and accurate responses, enhancing customer satisfaction. Casisto's conversational AI demonstrates the potential of generative AI to improve customer interactions, making them more intuitive and efficient. Casisto utilizes natural language processing, NLP, and natural language understanding, NLU, technologies to interpret and respond to customer inquiries. The AI learns from interactions to improve its understanding and accuracy over time, providing personalized and context-aware responses. Jaja Finance offers a digital-first credit card with an AI-powered mobile app that provides real-time insights into spending, budgeting tools, and flexible payment options. Jaja Finance's app uses AI to analyze spending patterns and offer personalized financial insights and budgeting advice, enhancing the overall customer experience. The app's real-time notifications and flexible payment options improve efficiency and provide a modern, user-friendly financial management tool. Jaja Finance employs machine learning algorithms to analyze transaction data and generate personalized spending insights and recommendations. The AI-driven app uses predictive analytics to offer flexible payment options and alerts, helping users manage their finances more effectively. Upstart offers a lending platform that uses AI to assess credit risk and provide personal loans. Their model considers a wide range of factors beyond traditional credit scores, such as education, employment, and financial behavior. Upstart aims to build trust by offering fair and accessible credit options through innovative AI models. By considering more than just credit scores, they provide a more comprehensive assessment of a borrower's creditworthiness. The AI-driven assessments are designed to offer personalized loan terms that are better suited to individual circumstances, improving the efficiency and fairness of the lending process. Upstart uses machine learning algorithms to evaluate a broad spectrum of data points, including traditional credit data, education history, job status, and other financial behaviors. This comprehensive approach allows Upstart's AI to predict credit risk more accurately and offer loans to a wider range of applicants. So, what do you think? Is AI the future of banking? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care and see you soon.